In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin stands as the undisputed leader. As more individuals and businesses invest in Bitcoin, it becomes paramount to prioritize the security of your Bitcoin wallet. Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the best practices and tips for ensuring the safety of your Bitcoin holdings. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, these insights will help you protect your digital assets effectively. So let's dive into the video. Crypto wallets are prone to various hacks and scams. You must be aware of these risks to protect yourself properly from them. Most security risks always fall into these categories. Phishing attack. The attacker in a phishing attack finds cunning ways crypto owners can give up their details. Phishing attacks often appear in a harmless format that the victim won't notice unless they are extremely security conscious. The hackers utilize various social engineering techniques to trick their to-be victims. For instance, some hackers approached Dominic Lacavone as Apple support. They tricked him into giving them access to his iCloud account, where he saved his MetaMask recovery phrase. They drained his $650,000 within minutes. A similar occurrence happened to Nikhil Gopalani, the COO of RTKFT. Some hackers wittily got his Apple ID and stole around $175,000 worth of NFTs from his wallet. Vulnerable Key Management System. Wallet providers can choose whether or not to keep mnemonic keys in their Sentry servers. The former can be necessary for performance optimization and error management. In contrast, the latter is a more decentralized approach. If a provider has to keep mnemonic keys for one reason or another, they must be stored in a secure environment. They must get the service of a third-party auditor to ensure that it is not vulnerable. The Slope wallet hack of 2022 was a good example of this. They kept the wallet users' mnemonic keys in their logs. The hackers discovered this vulnerability and took away over $4 million of users' funds. We recommend that you store your keys in a security-tight system that has been reviewed by a reputable auditor. Best practices for securing your crypto wallet. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, ensuring the security of your digital assets is paramount. The decentralized and pseudo-anonymous nature of cryptocurrencies attracts not only legitimate investors but also malicious actors looking to exploit vulnerabilities. To safeguard your investments, consider implementing the following best practices for wallet security. Cold storage for savings. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, safeguarding your valuable assets is of paramount importance. One key principle to remember is to never store a significant portion of your cryptocurrency holdings in a hot wallet. A hot wallet is essentially a digital wallet that is connected to the internet, making it susceptible to various forms of cyber attacks. These can include phishing attempts, malware attacks, and hacking. The primary reason for this vulnerability is that hot wallets are online, and therefore they are within reach of malicious actors looking to exploit any potential weakness. To counteract this risk, the concept of cold storage comes into play. Cold storage provides the highest level of security currently available for cryptocurrencies. Essentially, it means keeping your cryptocurrency assets completely offline. In this scenario, you become the sole entity with access to your funds. By removing your assets from the online environment, the risk of online manipulation or intrusion is significantly reduced. Cold storage options include hardware wallets, which are physical devices designed specifically for this purpose, and paper wallets, which involve generating and storing your private keys on a physical document. Use multi-sig wallets for treasury. While single signature wallets are suitable for individual use, they may not offer the same level of protection when it comes to collective or organizational funds. This becomes particularly relevant for entities such as organizations, teams, or decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, that handle a pool of digital assets. In such cases, multi-signature, multi-sig wallets become the preferred choice for enhanced security. A multi-sig wallet, as the name suggests, requires multiple authorized individuals to sign off on transactions. Typically, this involves 3 or more signatures to validate a transaction. The significance of this security measure lies in its complexity. For a malicious actor to steal funds from a multi-sig wallet, they would need to compromise multiple accounts simultaneously, which is an exceedingly challenging task. Multi-sig wallets are, therefore, an effective way to safeguard collective assets and minimize the risk of unauthorized access or theft. Implement two-factor authentication, 2FA. In the world of cryptocurrency, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access your wallet is a fundamental aspect of security. To accomplish this, two-factor authentication, 2FA, is employed as an additional layer of defense. 2FA requires you to provide a second piece of information beyond your password when accessing your wallet. This additional layer of security can take various forms. Common methods of 2FA include receiving a one-time password, OTP, via email or text message, or using biometric authentication methods such as fingerprint or facial recognition. The rationale behind 2FA is to make it significantly more challenging for unauthorized individuals or hackers to breach your security. Even if your password were to be compromised, an attacker would still require the second authentication factor to gain access to your wallet, adding an extra barrier against potential threats. Diversify with multiple wallets. Diversification is a well-known risk management strategy in the world of finance, and it holds true in the realm of cryptocurrencies as well. While it's important to follow the best security practices, there's always a small, inherent risk of a security breach occurring. To mitigate this risk, one effective approach is to avoid consolidating all your cryptocurrency holdings in a single wallet. By spreading your digital assets across multiple wallets, you minimize the potential loss in the event that one of your wallets is compromised. It's akin to the old adage of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Each wallet you use can serve a different purpose or hold different types of assets, providing you with a diversified and more secure approach to managing your digital wealth. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are undoubtedly convenient for staying connected while on the go, but they come with inherent security risks. When you connect to a public Wi-Fi network, your data becomes vulnerable to interception by various parties, including network owners and malicious actors. This vulnerability can extend to your cryptocurrency wallet if accessed while connected to public Wi-Fi. As a best practice, it is advisable to refrain from accessing your cryptocurrency wallet when connected to public networks whenever possible. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider employing a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your connection, making it significantly more challenging for eavesdroppers to intercept your data. This extra layer of security can protect your sensitive financial information from potential threats when using public Wi-Fi networks. Guard against phishing. The landscape of phishing attacks is continually evolving, and vigilance is essential to thwart these threats. Phishing attempts typically involve deceptive tactics used by hackers to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as login credentials or private keys. These attacks can take various forms, from phishing emails and fake websites to social engineering tactics. It's crucial to remain vigilant and exercise caution when encountering unsolicited communications or links, especially on social media platforms or within emails. Phishers often impersonate trusted entities like cryptocurrency exchanges, wallet providers, or even customer support representatives to gain your trust. Always verify the authenticity of the sources you interact with and avoid clicking on suspicious links or sharing personal information unless you are absolutely certain of their legitimacy. Use strong and unpredictable passwords. A strong and unpredictable password is one of the first lines of defense against unauthorized access to your cryptocurrency wallet. Creating a robust password involves choosing a combination of characters that is difficult for attackers to guess. Avoid using easily obtainable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Instead, opt for a mix of random alphanumeric characters, symbols, and a combination of upper and lowercase letters. The objective is to create a password that is resilient to brute force attacks, where hackers systematically try different combinations until they gain access. By adhering to the practice of using strong passwords, you significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized individuals successfully guessing or cracking your password. Safeguard your seed phrase and passwords. Your seed phrase and password are the keys to your cryptocurrency wallet, and their security should be treated with the utmost care. It's crucial to store these components securely to prevent unauthorized access while ensuring that they are still accessible to you. One best practice is to avoid saving your seed phrase or password online or in cloud storage, as these methods can be vulnerable to hacking or data breaches. Instead, consider the traditional approach of writing down your seed phrase and password on physical paper. Store this documentation in a physically secure location, such as a bank vault or a secure home safe. This offline method ensures that even if your digital systems are compromised, your critical access information remains safe from unauthorized access. Interact only with secure websites. When it comes to cryptocurrency, the websites you interact with play a critical role in your overall security. It is essential to ensure that the websites you use for managing your cryptocurrency assets employ robust security measures. A key indicator of a secure website is the use of encrypted connections, typically denoted by HTTPS in the URL. Always verify the authenticity of websites related to your cryptocurrency wallet, exchanges, or any other services you use in the crypto space. Avoid engaging with websites that appear suspicious or lack proper security measures. Scammers often create fake websites that mimic legitimate platforms, so double-check the website's URL and look for any signs of irregularities before inputting sensitive information. Use burner wallets for airdrops. To protect your primary wallets, consider using separate burner wallets for airdrops and other potentially risky activities. Some airdrops may require connecting your wallet to unverified or unsafe websites, which could pose a security risk. By using a burner wallet for such purposes, you limit the exposure of your primary wallet and assets, reducing the potential impact of any security breaches. Use a secure network. When accessing your Bitcoin wallet, use a secure and private network. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks, which can be vulnerable to hacking attempts. Cybercriminals often target public Wi-Fi networks to intercept data transmitted over them. Using a virtual private network, VPN, or a mobile data connection can add an extra layer of security when accessing your wallet on the go. When using a home network, ensure that it is adequately secured with a strong, unique password for your router. Additionally, consider using a firewall to protect your devices from external threats. Verify addresses. When sending or receiving Bitcoins, double-check the recipient's address. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, and sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. Cryptocurrency addresses are typically long strings of letters and numbers, making it crucial to copy and paste them accurately. Check the first few and last few characters of the address to ensure they match the intended recipient's information. If you're sending a significant amount of Bitcoin, consider sending a small test transaction first to verify the address's validity. Once you've confirmed that the test transaction was successful, you can proceed with larger amounts with confidence. Keep your software updated. Regularly update your wallet software to the latest version. Developers often release updates to patch vulnerabilities and improve security. Outdated software may be more susceptible to attacks. By keeping your wallet software up to date, you ensure that you benefit from the latest security enhancements and bug fixes. Many wallet providers prioritize security and actively address vulnerabilities to protect their users. Configure your wallet to receive automatic updates or regularly check for updates manually to stay protected. Do not forget your seed phrases. This tip is vital for those who have set up non-custodial wallets with their own private keys. Do not forget your seed phrases. Seed phrases are a set of randomly generated words that give you access to your crypto wallet. Your crypto wallet provider generates these 12 to 24 unique words to give you access to your wallet. You can also use them to regain a lost crypto wallet and reclaim your funds. The best way to store a seed phrase is to write them down on a piece of paper and keep it in a cool and dry place only you know about. In conclusion, by diligently following these best practices for securing your cryptocurrency wallet, you can significantly enhance the safety of your digital assets and protect them from potential threats and attacks. Remember that the crypto landscape is continuously evolving, so staying informed about the latest security developments and adapting your practices accordingly is also crucial for maintaining the security of your investments. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.